Ever posted a YouTube video with a link in the description, only to find it's not working? The frustration. Broken links can lead viewers away from your content, damage your credibility, and deliver a poor user experience. Well, fear not, fellow creators, because today we're tackling this common problem and showing you how to fix those broken links like a pro. Alright, here's how we'll diagnose and fix those pesky broken links. We'll kick off with step 1, check the link itself. It might seem obvious, but sometimes we overlook the simplest things. Ensure the link starts with "or" and that there are no typos or missing characters. Remember, even a tiny error can cause a major malfunction. Moving on to step 2, test the link in the video. Head back to your video and see if the link is actually clickable. Sometimes links that appear truncated with a "show more" tag only work after expanding the description, so don't be shy, click away. Step 3 takes us to YouTube Studio. Find the video and go to the Details tab. Compare the link there with the one you initially added. Sometimes things can get mismatched during editing, and it's always good to double-check. Finally, step 4 includes a few additional tips and tricks. Try clearing your browsing cache and cookies, using a different browser or device, or even employing link shorteners for those long URLs. They not only look cleaner, but are also less prone to typos. If all else fails, report the broken link to YouTube. They're there to help. There you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you'll be a broken link slaying champion in no time. Remember, a fully operational link in your description is like a beacon, guiding viewers towards more of your fantastic content. It's not just about avoiding frustration, it's about building credibility and fostering a community around your work. So don't let those broken links stand in your way. Do you have any broken link horror stories? Share them in the comments below and let's help each other out. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more YouTube tips and